Hey everyone, I'm Rohan from Online Health Guide, and in this video I will show you how to post a job on Indeed for free. Posting a job for free on Indeed allows you to reach a wide audience and attract candidates without additional costs. So let's get started on how to post a job on Indeed for free. Start by opening the Indeed app on your device. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, select My Jobs and scroll down to find the Employers option. Tap on it. Under the Employers section, you will see the option to post a job. Tap on it. Select Post a Job again. Now enter the basic job information including the job title and description. Customize the description to specify the nature of the job, what it entails, and any additional details. Once done, tap on Continue. Now fill in the job type, schedule, and the payment and benefits of the job. You can now review your job posting and make any necessary changes. Tap on the preview button to see what your job listing will look like to the candidates. If satisfied, tap on Confirm to proceed. You will be prompted to select whether you want to sponsor the job post or boost visibility. Since we're focusing on posting for free, scroll down and tap on No Thanks to decline sponsoring the post. You will also see a Skip Free Trial option. Tap on it to post a job without incurring any charges. Your job is now ready to be posted. Tap on Continue. And that's how you can post job on Indeed for free. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment below if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our upcoming videos.